We are getting started with 2 bags of caramels. Right away, you're gonna grab 6 tablespoons of water and add it right into those caramels. Stir frequently until that caramel is nice and silky smooth. Look at that, silky and smooth. Ooh, that's exactly the way that you want it. You can go ahead and turn your heat off there and grab yourself some pretzel sticks. Now I'm gonna start by pouring about 2 cups of pretzel sticks in with this caramel. I slightly just kind of scrunched the bag up to break up those pretzels, but you can see we're gonna need more than this. We're gonna end up with probably about 4 cups of pretzel sticks. So you'll just go ahead and keep adding those pretzel sticks in till you have about 4 cups and reach that consistency that you want as all of those pretzels are mixed good in with the caramel. This looks great. We have all of those pretzels in and they are fully coated in the caramel. Ooh, we are off to a great start. These caramel and pretzels look great. I'm gonna plop them right down into my baking dish. Now I line the baking dish with some parchment paper, but I don't know, are you just gonna butter it or are you gonna line it with parchment paper? I get nervous, so I just go all out and I just decide to do the parchment paper. And then check this out though, look at how these pretzels are just spreading all over the bottom here. We've got all of that caramel mixed in with those pretzels. Oh my goodness, as it dries, all those pretzels are gonna stick together just the right amount. This is gonna be so tasty. Okay, so we're gonna bring in our bowl, you guys, and to make this even better, I have some tasty peanut butter. You're gonna pour yourself about a cup of peanut butter right into your bowl. Oh, that looks so good. Here, let me see, let me try, let me just make sure. Yes, it's great. Okay, so we have no worries about that, you guys. And now look at this. I have about 2 cups of melted chocolate and I'm just gonna pour that right there in with that peanut butter. I'm gonna get all of that chocolate right out. Ghirardelli is my favorite. I'm gonna use some melting chocolate. Maybe you guys are going with chips. Maybe you guys are going with a different kind. I don't know. Share with me in the comments. But check this out. We are swirling together this peanut butter and this chocolate. And when this starts to mix together and it sets, the peanut butter is just gonna make that chocolate so silky smooth. We are gonna have a great combo here, you guys. I am being inspired by my favorite Take 5 candy bar. Ooh, so mix that all together. This is going to be great. Now that looks so good. Everything is silky and mixed together, that peanut butter and that chocolate, you guys. So let's go ahead and bring our pretzels back over. And you know what we're gonna do. We are going to pour this all over the top. We're just gonna take our chocolate and watch as it drips into all of those pretzel spaces. Wow, that chocolate looks absolutely amazing. We are gonna get all of this out with that peanut butter. Oh, peanut butter, chocolate, pretzels, caramel. Need I say more, you guys? What's your favorite candy bar? I'm a huge Reese's fan, but I really love the saltiness of caramel. So I definitely love the Take 5s. And what I said, this is what has inspired me to make this treat. So we're just gonna go through and coat all of those pretzels. Oh, I am in heaven. All right, that looks so good. Oh my gosh, this is so good. I have to look at it again. Save the bowl. Save the bowl and eat it because it's really good, that chocolate peanut butter. Don't get rid of that. All right, check this out. I got some coarse sea salt. I'm getting ahead of myself, you guys. I'm really stoked about this. Anything with chocolate and peanut butter, you know, is totally my jam. Now, of course, you don't have to do this. We have salt in the pretzels, but I'm just gonna put a little pinch of sea salt right on the top of this. You guys, there is plenty open for suggestions. You can add and do so much with this, but for right now, I'm gonna stick it in the fridge so we get it to set up nice and fast and stick around because I can't wait to show you this easy treat. I am so ready for this. I only let it sit for a couple hours because I just can't wait to dig in. Oh, I can tell the texture of that top, that chocolate and peanut butter right on top is almost sliding through just like a fudge. And I'm just cutting through all of those pretzels. Oh, this is gonna be fantastic. I can tell already. All right, I'm just gonna lift this all right out. Look at that, wow, oh my gosh. Like I said, I only let it sit for a little bit. Look at the caramel and the pretzel. I'm excited about it. I got the peanut butter and the chocolate and the caramel and the pretzel, and I know this is gonna be one of my favorites. All right, let's dig in. by far. Wow. First you get the crunchiness from the pretzel and that caramel with a little bit of saltiness. Then I have like this peanut butter and chocolate, and look at how smooth that is with the peanut butter and chocolate mixed together. We have a nice smooth fudge-like texture on top. Wow, this is a game changer right here, you guys. Let me know if you're adding anything else in. Other than that, wow, this is perfect. I'm gonna finish this off, and I don't know, I might even eat like some more. I don't know, somebody help me. It's too good to just stop, right? All right, you guys, I hope you love this recipe. We'll see you guys later. Enjoy.